we are going to create a Starship elevator animation. First thing we're going to do is create a representation of the Starship, which is 50 millimeters, and then we're going to extrude that up 100 millimeters, and that will be the representation of the Starship. Then we're going to create a rectangle that's 5 millimeters by 10 millimeters, and then we're going to extrude that up 2 millimeters, and that will be a representation of the elevator. Then using those two parts, we are going to go, we're going to rename the first one Starship, and we're going to rename part 2 Elevator. Once we have that done, we're going to switch over to the Assembly tab. And the Assembly tab allows you to insert both the elevator and the Starship. Then we're going to use a connector a slider connector, and we're going to attach it to the elevator first. And then where do you want that to attach? We're going to pick the center of the Starship, and then we're going to offset that 30 millimeters in the X direction, and that will put it right at the edge of the cylinder. You can see that that's right at the edge of the cylinder, and then we're going to close the second slider that tried to open there. Once that's closed, we can then animate the first slider that we made, and we're going to start at minus 10 millimeters from the top of the cylinder. We're going to go all the way to minus 100, and we're going to have 20 steps, and we're going to do that in the reciprocal or reciprocate mode. So it goes up and down and represents the elevator going up and down on the side of the Starship.